All right, hello everyone. So I'm just gonna be doing a quick skincare routine. So first things first, you're gonna have to take all that makeup off, take them lashes off. Okay, so skip this part right here. Okay, this little cream exfoliator stuff, it did not do as well as I thought it would. I was just trying to find another alternative to take this makeup off. It just didn't do as great. It did a little some, but it just didn't do much. So you can use your regular makeup remover wipes or some coconut oil. But I just wiped it off with a baby wipe. Just wipe some of it off. You can see I got a pink eye because that eye was giving me a hard time trying to apply my makeup. Okay, so I'm just going to be using some extra virgin olive oil to try to get some more of that stuff off because that exfoliator stuff did not do anything. Okay, so just go ahead and rub all that oil into your skin, and you see it does a lot better with the oil. It took most of that makeup off, but just go ahead and wipe that makeup off with a baby wipe. So you'll be done with that part. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some Noxzema, or a comparison of Noxzema. It's actually the Kroger brand, but it works just the same. So you're just going to go ahead and apply it to your skin on a wet face or a dry face, it doesn't matter. The thing about this cream is that it actually cleanses the skin and gets rid of all that excess dirt and oil and makeup and all that horrible stuff that's on your face. And I leave it on for about 10 minutes or until it dries to get into the skin and clean out the pores and things like that. So it really does a good job cleansing. So don't forget to get your hairline as well, because it is makeup up there. You want to make sure you get all that makeup out of your skin. Right, so now to the fun part. We are going to exfoliate our skin now. So all you're going to do is just leave that product on your face and wet your face a little bit. So this is a homemade sugar scrub that I made, and it consists of dark brown sugar and extra virgin olive oil. You can add coconut oil as well, it doesn't really matter, but there's the consistency of it. Okay, so you're just going to rub that into your skin. And with this exfoliator, it really removes all of that dead skin, and it really gives you a deep clean. It also gets into your pores and really clean out all that nastiness out of your pores. But yeah, just go ahead and scrub it into your face. You're gonna have to use a dark brown sugar. I wouldn't recommend granulated sugar. It's just not good for your skin, and it really doesn't clean as much as the dark brown sugar does. It really doesn't exfoliate well. So I definitely, highly recommend using a dark brown sugar. Okay, so after you do all of that exfoliating, go ahead and rinse it off. Go ahead and rinse it off, and you're gonna pat your face dry. You don't want to rub it in. I was always told to pat dry, so you need to pat dry. Make sure you got all that stuff out your hair. Make sure you're squeaky clean. So once you get done with that part, you can see that my face is squeaky clean, and at this point I'm done. But I decided to do something a little different. So my little sister had gifted me with 3 face masks from Victoria's Secret, and you can see that I'm trying to decide which one that I wanted to use. I usually don't do face masks, but I decided to give one a try, so I'm doing the Rose Hydrogel mask. Perfect. So I go ahead and open it up, and it was all wet and stuff, but I smelled it and it smelled really, really good. It smelled just like roses. And so that's the top part. And obviously, so I was just so confused on how to put that on. It was so confusing. I told you I don't do masks. It's one thing I don't do. But I was just trying to figure everything out, and I was just so confused, and those instructions weren't giving me enough information. So I was just like, I had to figure everything out on my own. So you can see that I'm having a very, very difficult time putting this stuff on my face. It's so stressful. This is why I don't do masks. Okay. ahead and just peel the mask off the paper and put it on my face because it was just giving me a hard time. So I was just like, okay, let me just put it on that way, and it worked. Okay, it worked very well. Now I'm going to apply the bottom layer of the mask right here. And the thing about this mask is has a jelly consistency, and it feels really, really good on my skin. I really love this mask. So this is a hydrating mask. So it said leave it on about 10 to 20 minutes, but I wanted all the hydration, okay? So I left it on for the whole 20 minutes, right? So after that 20 minutes is up, you're gonna go ahead and take the mask off. Just go ahead and take it off just like that, okay? And go ahead and rub all that extra excess from the mask into your skin. And when I was doing this, my skin felt so smooth and so clean and hydrated. I really, really love this mask. Definitely recommend it to you guys. But that's it, y'all. That is it. So thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a good one. Bye bye.